Today I'll walk you through how to change best friends emojis on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your best friends emojis so you can express your unique friendships in a fun way. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're familiar with the app, this should be a breeze. If not, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still apply. Once you're on the camera page, look for the chat icon at the bottom of your screen and click on it. This will take you to your conversations with friends, where you can see all your chats. Now, choose the friend you want to customize the emoji for. Long press on your conversation with them to access the settings. This is similar to how you might hold down on an app icon to see more options. Since this is just a test account, there might not be a best friend added here. However, if you have a pinned best friend, an option to customize their emojis will be available. Think of this as personalizing your favorite coffee order. It makes your experience more enjoyable. Once you see the option, choose among the available emojis that represent your friendship best. After selecting your preferred emoji, simply press back. And just like that, your customization is complete. In summary, changing best friends emojis on Snapchat is a straightforward process that allows you to add a personal touch to your interactions. Whether you want to show appreciation for a close friend or just want to have some fun, these emojis can help you express those sentiments. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.